Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I was having a conversation about marketing with a client the other day, and I shared something that I thought was pretty interesting. And I call it ripple effect marketing. When we were kids, or maybe even have adults, when you throw a little rock in the water, what happens to that water? There's a little splash in the middle, and then you get the ripple that goes wider and wider and wider. And I'd like you to think of marketing in that way. Start close to home with whatever product services you're selling. Close to home. I have 3 clients in my zip code. I had one client one time that lived across the street. I didn't realize it until we filled out the paperwork. Close to home. I went to a speaking event once, and the speaker was talking about this speaking engagement he was doing in San Diego, California. He lives in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, or actually Boca Raton. And he was telling me, he goes, I got my car and I drove to the airport by all these potential clients and businesses. I got an airplane and I flew to the other side of the country over all these potential clients and businesses. I did my speaking training event. I got paid. I flew back to Florida over all these potential clients and businesses, got in my car at the airport, drove home once again by all these potential clients and businesses. And when I got home, I thought, what the heck am I doing? I'm flying to the other side of the country to do a team training when I got all these businesses and people that could use my services right here. So I like to keep things simple. I just share this theory with you. So if you're out there working on all these marketing type things, just get clear and attempt the ripple effect. Because remember, there's plenty of businesses and clients right where we're at. And the ripple effect is, it's like a trunk of a tree. You give your product and services and do really well, that trunk of a tree has branches. And those branches have branches. So the more you take care of your business close, and you take care of your clients, and you do your business well, those people will tell those people, and those people will tell those people, and before you know it, that ripple effect is getting wider and wider and wider. And then if you're clear on your destination of where you want to go with your business, yes, you could expand into other states, other countries, go global if you wish. But for now, for those of you that want to keep it simple, just think about the ripple effect. And it's the same way with the way you treat people. You treat those people well, they're going to say good things about you, and you'll be admired, you'll be looked upon greatly, and your business will grow. I hope this has been valuable. I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive and profitable week, and I will see you next Monday. Go get them.